Students, let us go with our new problem. The last topic is differential equation. Okay. Now here problem is solve dy by dx equals x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y cos y. Okay. Let our given problem. Now these type of solutions are, first of all, we can taking variable separation. In everywhere we can applying first method variation separation. Okay. If these are not possible to take variable separation, definitely we can applying methods, another methods. Okay. First of all, variable separation. Okay. Let applying variable separation. Now here sin y plus y cos y into what? Dy by dy. Now that side x into 2 log x plus 1 into dx. Now applying integration on both sides. Now integration sin y plus y cos y dy. Now here also integration. Now multiply 2x log x plus x, okay, dx. Okay. Now taking separation, integration sin y dy plus it is a integration y cos y dy equals to 2 into x log x plus dx plus integration x dx. Now integration sin y is a minus cos y, there is no problem, but here it is a f of x and g of x, f of x, g of x. So UV method, by parts method, integration by parts method, we can applying by parts method. Okay, by parts method is nothing but, let integration f of x g of x dx equals to f of x integration of g of x dx minus overall integration of f of x, differentiation of f of x, that means f dash x, integration g of x dx whole dx. Okay, this is a integration by parts method. Okay, now here we can applying that method. Let integration sin y is nothing but minus cos y plus, now apply y integration cos y dy minus integration of d by dy, because of here dy, the function in y, yes or no? Okay, y and integration cos y dy and also whole dy. Now this side it equals to 2 into, now here it is not a f of x, as a f of x, because of we can taking log x as a f of x here. If the function log x as a f of x, now it is a g of x. Okay. Now log x as a f of x, integration x dx minus integration d by dx of log x, integration x dx, okay, whole dx. Okay, it is over. Next to integration x dx is nothing but x square by 2 plus c. Okay, that's over. Next, now minus cos y equals to, plus y, integration cos y is nothing but sin y minus of integration dy by dy of y is a 1, cos y integration is a sin y, and overall integral, that's why integration dy. Okay, then this side integration 2 into integration of log log x integration x dx is nothing but x square by 2 minus, now overall integration of d by dx of log x is a integration 1 by x, it is a 1 by x, integration x dx is nothing but x square by and dx plus, already we have x square by 2 plus c. Okay. Next, minus cos y plus y sin y minus sin y integration is again minus cos y, yes or no? That minus becomes as a plus. Now this side 2 into x square by 2 to log x, yes or no? 2 get cancelled. Here also cos y minus cos y get cancelled, and 2 into what? 2 into, already it is a 1 by 2, then x 1x get cancelled. We have integration x dx is nothing but x square by 2, yes or no? It is a x square by 2 again plus x square by 2 plus c. Now 2 get cancelled, and also x square by 2 minus x square by 2, x square by 2 get cancelled, yes or no? Okay, here x cancel, remember. Okay, now remaining is our solution. Therefore the solution of given DE is y sin y equals to x square log x plus c. Okay, this is our solution of given differential equation. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want any problem, definitely comment it, okay, in comment box. Thank you.